I'm a Havasu Deuce, and this is my world.
Tell you a little about the car. Had the car now for about 6 or 7 years. It was built by Dale Bosch out of Nebraska. Bosch hot rod builders. Pretty well most of the car was done custom. One-off wheels, radiator. It's got an LS1 engine in it with a 6-speed standard transmission. Special one-off paint mixed by them. Height, independent front and rear suspension. Classic instruments, all color coordinated with the car. That's about it.
This is a 1932 Ford Roadster pickup, and I decided to do that because there are not too many of them out there. This is a Brookville body that's got what started life as a 57 392 Chrysler Hemi in the engine. About all that's left of it that's Chrysler is the block and the valve covers. It's finished at 446 cubic inches. It dynoed at 718 horsepower and 565 foot-pounds of torque. The dual quad, single plane, pro stock style manifold on it. It's got a T&D individual roller rocker arms. We're lifting the valve maybe 3/4 of an inch. It's coupled to a Tremec 5-speed and a Winters 11-inch Champ Car quick change rear end. In the interior, we have aluminum panel bomber style interior with about 6,000 hand bucked rivets. And that's really it. I decided to do the Roadster pickup, as I said, because there aren't too many of them around, and just enjoy it.
Well, it's a 32 Ford Roadster. I've owned it for 17 years. I bought the car, drove it for a couple years. Right when I retired, I took time out and built a brand new engine for this car. Basically, I had to remachine all of the parts in the engine itself, but I went through it. It took me 4 years and almost $15,000. But I'm very, very happy to say that this particular blown small block engine holds 714 horsepower on the dyno. It does run awful hard. So we've kind of detuned it quite a bit to drive it on the street. I've got a Tremec 5-speed gearbox in it. Everything underneath the car is all either polished aluminum, polished stainless, or chrome. Even the transmission's been polished. So one of the things about this car is I try to pay attention to detail. You know, when you're around a lot of car builders, you know, they look for things like that. So I just try to show them that I can do the same and not pay to have someone do all the work for me, because I've had to do all the work ourselves. The paint on this particular car has been on the car 14 years, and we painted this in a single car garage with wood heat. And we started New Year's Day disassembling the car, and we rolled it out July 4th. So it took 7 months to totally repaint, flame the whole car.
Hello, my name is Dick Razik, and I want to tell you a little bit about my 1932 Roadster. It's an original bodied car, and it was started in 1990. Now, that's the original paint on that car from 1990. The flathead in there is electronically controlled, fuel-injected French block flathead. The induction system and all the engine components is made right in my shop. It has individual runners, puts out 204 horsepower and 305 foot-pounds of torque. It's a really good runner and it's a daily driver. Hi, Dick Razik here. I'd just like to take a minute and thank everybody that showed up for our Havasu Deuce show. It was a great show, biggest yet. We had more 32s than we did last year. Next year, we're going to have even more. Come on and join us. It's a great day. We have garage tours, we have street scene, and we have a venue here that nobody can beat for a car show. All on grass, and it's all pretty. Thanks. Come again.